Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be on this smoky look. I used the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. If you guys want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm picking up Popsicle with a Morphe E27 blending brush, and this is going to go all over my crease as my transition shade. I'm going to use this NYX Jumbo eye pencil, and this is in Black Bean. I'm going to use it as a base for my next shade. I'm just going to blend it all over my eyelid with my finger. I'm picking up Beach Ball, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. Now I'm just going to blend those shades together and make sure there are no harsh lines. Now I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of the Beach Ball shade, and I'm going to apply it right on my lid. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the Sunny's shade. I'm going to apply it on my lash line, and I'm just going to blend it upwards. Now with the fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend the shades together. For my lashes, I'm using the Lash Kitty lashes, and these are in the style Jenna. For my tear duct, I'm going to use a pineapple shade. This is my favorite shade out of the entire palette. It is absolutely beautiful. So I just applied a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!